Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to remove a photo background on a Mac without using any app. So those are my images. Okay, so let's see. Okay, how to delete this background from this photo? It's simple. Just click on the image with using the right button of your mouse. Then go to Quick Actions and select Remove Background. Wait a moment. And just like that, a new photo will be added to your folder. And as you see, with the background removed. This is the before and this is the after. Before and the after. Now let's repeat the same thing for this photo. So click on Quick Actions, remove background. And just like this is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Now let's do the same thing for this photo. Quick Actions, remove background. Now this is the before, after, before, after. And this is how to remove a photo background on a Mac without using any app. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.